Hey everybody, this is Brenda from Brey's Ways. I'm here because I wanted to show you guys my latest little faux goodie that I've been doing. I started it last night and I am making Nautical Valentine Day cookies. Aren't they adorable? So all I did, guys, and I don't think I will be doing videos where I have to demonstrate to you guys how I do these things. If you've seen enough faux food videos and you look up cookies anywhere, or just how to use your modeling clay and whatnot, it's pretty much the same thing. So for me to repeat it all almost seems a little too redundant. So in any case, all you do is you take your modeling clay. I use the Crayola brand, Model Magic White, and you can buy it at Walmart. That's where I get mine, or probably Hobby Lobby and other like Michael's might have it. I don't know because I don't go to those stores very often since they're not near where I live, but Walmart carries this, and it's about 20 some dollars for 4 packages, so it's not too bad, and you get quite a bit of them in each package. So I use my modeling clay. All I do is I roll it out with my rolling pin. I have this old little rolling pin that was my grandmother's, so I use this, and I roll it out and to the thickness that I want, and I left mine a little bit thick so they would hold up a little better. And then my husband Rob had ordered me some little molds of shells, so I use these to choose the ones that I wanted to put on the cookies. Some of the cookies don't have that on top of them, and I made some little heart-shaped cookies as well. There's one, and here's my other little one right here. But see, all of these have little starfish or shell. There's a big shell right there, and little shells. Yeah, so I figured why not, since I'm so into the nautical, why not incorporate the nautical idea into some of the things that I make, right? So I thought these would be cute, and I will be painting them up soon and doing all the good stuff to them to make them look really adorable for Valentine's. And of course, Valentine's Day is a day of love, which is a day that we should celebrate every day. And I will be making another video with the finished product, but I wanted to show you guys what I've done. Now, all I did here when I molded out the little shell, I just basically just put the modeling clay in, and I pressed it really hard into the shell to get the indents of it. Popped it out because they're very flexible, so you can pop them out. And you just simply just add it on top of your cookie, and you can do any cookie shapes you like. You can do them for all year round, and they will stick while it's still wet to whatever other modeling clay made thing you have. So, and now for these, I just simply rolled out a very long tube of the modeling clay, and then I just started from the center, and I bent, I curled it in, and then I just left the string of it on the table, and I simply just started rolling it round and around and around until I got to the end. And then I took my finger and I made an indent on the top, and then I just simply just modeled the bottom to give it a little point in the bottom. And that's how I did my heart-shaped cookies. So then I will hand paint each one of them however I want them and let them dry. And then I will finish them up, as you will see later when you see them, guys. So until next time, this is Brey's Ways. Have a wonderful day, guys. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And please like and comment my videos. And feel free to look at all of the videos because I really want to make my channel grow this year. So please help me out, okay? And give me a shout out if you get a chance. And direct your peeps to my channel. So I would definitely, totally be appreciative of that. So Thanks in advance if you do. So until next time, guys, this is Brey's Ways. Bye-bye.